ಹೆಸರು ಗೋವಿಂದ ಶರ್ಮಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕವನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗಿಂದನೂ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಥರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅದು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ವಿಲೇಜ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನೆಲಮಂಗಲ, Bangalore district. So if not me, I thought at least my son would buy a farmland like. Now I'm very happy that he has been able to buy it. And why I like this particular place is, actually accessibility is very good. Almost most of the distance, about 50 kilometers from our place. I stay in Yelahanka, Martinagar. For I think for almost about 45 kilometers we have got highway itself. The 5 kilometers is still motorable, good road. And even here everything has been developed. And we particularly, when we came here looking for the location, I am actually an MTech from IIT Madras, hydraulics. So I was looking for this in, actually there is a natural nala, ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳ ಅದು ಹರಿತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ರೀಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮಚ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಟುಕ್ ದಿಸ್ in the small plat, half an acre, that my son Venkatram Avdani bought. There are about, I think there are about 12 coconut, fully grown coconut. This one maybe for this festival season we will be able to use the, Kalpavruksha, whatever we have bought.